Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Loogootee, local and long distance movers near me. We go to great lengths to ensure the success of our long distance relocations. You don't have to worry about a thing. We'll get you to your destination on schedule and without a hitch. When moving more than 50 miles, it's considered a long distance move. There is no reason why we can't complete the path we've set on our own. Federal and state officials work together with us to make the long distance relocation simpler. We offer comprehensive insurance packages to protect our clients during and after the move. Taking all these precautions, we ensure the safety and security of your goods while traveling to your final destination. Our Loogootee movers can't be beaten when it comes to efficiency. You can count on them to get you and your belongings through to town safely. No matter how packed your streets are, you can count on us to transport you to your destination securely. At $30 to $40 an hour, our rates are incredibly competitive. The same goes for our drivers, who are all thoroughly vetted before getting hired. As a company, we constantly place the needs of our customers above our own. We also help you complete your move as quickly as possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Loogootee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.